This is a Chucky Beat production.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So as you may notice that I look a little different in this video. I got a little setup behind me. It's a little different. And you guys may be wondering what changed. Why does the setup look different? The main thing that changed really is that I just got tired of being in the area that I was in. My kids' room is where I am now. They didn't use half of their room, or really didn't even sleep in here at all. And they barely spend any time in here, so I decided to commandeer the room and take half of it for myself. So what I did was I moved my desk area and stuff into this room right here, and this is going to be what you guys see for the foreseeable future. This is my new office space, and we're going to enjoy it the way it is. But I want to give you guys a walkthrough of what I did and why I did it, and everything that I have, and all the process and everything that I did to go through it. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so this is the whole entire setup. So what you see now is still a work in progress. You know, there's going to be a lot of things that may change in the foreseeable future, but this is it. This is everything. So the first thing you'll notice is that my desk is just not the same. It's completely different than what it was before. You can see I got some cable management to do, but this is just a preliminary video just to show you all what I've done and all the plans I have coming up. So starting off on the right hand side, let's start off on the right. So you can see my IKEA table. I broke it down. I'm about to move it out of here. I may use it as like a table for like my reviews and stuff, but not quite sure. Here's my computer. You guys already know what it is. It's the Thermaltake View 51. I did a review on it. You can check it out in the link above. I'm not going to talk much about that. You all already know exactly what it is. Here's the inside of it and everything. RGB'd out, you know. So moving on to the actual desk, there's my Goku, my Ultra Instinct Goku. Been having this thing for quite some time. I love this little thing. I plan on adding more to my collection. I love me some Dragon Ball Z. So here's that. Then I got my clip speakers, my Pro Media 2.1s. I've been having these things for like 4 or 5 years. Like, I can't have any other kind of system right now when it comes to audio. These are good. They sound good. They sound great. And they got a good, nice little subwoofer to go with them too, so you can adjust the bass and everything. You know, I got the bass turned down pretty low right now, but it's pretty nice. There's a camera lens of mine. Here is my Corsair M65 Elite. It's the white and gray edition. I've wanted this mouse forever, and I finally had a chance to get it. They had it in stock at Best Buy, so that's that. I'll use it for gaming mainly and editing. I have a different mouse that I use for other stuff, but that one's not important. That more than likely will never be seen on my setup. So here's my Google Home. I use this to control all my smart features of my desk. That's basically what I use this for, and like nothing else. So here's that. And then here's my Corsair K75 Keyboard. This is the special edition also. This matches the mouse, if you can't tell. But I've had this and the mouse combo for about a year now, and I mean, it's great. It's working out fine for me. Like I said, I use it for gaming, editing video, and stuff like that too. So here is my monitor. Now the monitor is a Dell 144 Hz 27-inch panel. It's a TN panel, so the color accuracy isn't the greatest, but I have another monitor coming soon. I'm not going to tell you guys what it is, but my setup will still be going through some changes. So this monitor works fine for me for gaming. I love it for gaming. It's very responsive. I don't care about color accuracy when it comes to gaming, but it's great. Then over here I have a pair of V-Motor Crossfade M100s. These headphones I've been having for quite some time also. They're perfect for gaming and listening to music and stuff like that. I use them mainly to edit my videos. I really never use them when gaming, even though I should. I just don't. They're sitting on the I think it's the Corsair ST1000 or ST100, the headphone stand. It's a very, very good headphone stand. It comes with like a built-in DAC and stuff like that, and a couple USB ports, which you can see I have my mic plugged into. What was that? I have my mic plugged into, and it's great. It does its job. You can change the colors, the RGB lighting and stuff like that, and right there too. So it's pretty nice. I like it. So moving on, I had to buy me some shrubbery, man. I had to buy some greenery. It doesn't have a name yet. You guys want to name it for me? I wanted to name it, but I don't know what I'm gonna name it yet. But this is also gonna be like a prop for me. But I just had to add a little greenery to my desk, just for a little pop, you know, just a little pop. So moving on is my mic. This is the Blue Yeti, the infamous Blue Yeti. Everybody has a Blue Yeti. I like mine. It's pretty good. It does everything I needed to do for me, and it's how I record all my my audio, basically. Basically what it is. So it's on a shock mount. This shock mount works really, really well. It's not the best shock mount, but it works fine for what I need. And then here is the boom arm. It sits on the boom arm, so and that's that. And like I said, everything's like a work in progress right now, and it's working out for me. Oh, one more thing, I did add some of these. These are the Monster Digit. They're like the nano leaves, but I chose these because I wanted like a different design. Can't really see the color that it's letting off. I don't know if I can adjust the exposure or anything like that, but there we go. So this is the color that it's letting off right now. Just had to turn the ISO down a little bit, let me brighten it back up. But that's what you can see. That's what's above my monitor and everything right now. Let me turn everything back to normal. All right, but yeah, that's the whole setup, guys. And like I said, this is in my my kids' room right now, so you may see some of their stuff laying around here somewhere. My chair, I get a lot of questions about my chair too. This chair came from Amazon. I cannot remember the name of it, but I do still have the tag on it. So once I get that, I'll link it in the description as well. And about my desk, so my desk is actually an IKEA tabletop or countertop. This is the Saljan. It's a 74-inch desk. It's like 74 by 25 deep, and it was more than enough space for everything I needed on my desk, and for me just to have some ample space to do some product placement and stuff on it. These are sitting on top of some cube storages. I wanted to do cube storage because I wanted something different, and this is definitely different enough. I haven't seen nobody use cube storage yet for theirs. These came from Target, actually. They were about like 40 bucks. The tabletop itself was 60 bucks. Like, that's all. It was only 60 bucks. I didn't get a Carlby or nothing like that because it just wasn't in my budget. But I put this desk together along with the Capita legs. I got some white Capita legs. I put the desk together for only about like 130, 140 bucks total for everything. For everything that I have, only like 130 bucks total. So for me, I thought that was a pretty good deal, and the budget that I built everything on was pretty legit. It was pretty legit for the most part. But yeah, that, guys, that's it. That is my desk setup for 2020, well, mid part of 2020 anyways. And I like everything that I've done so far. If you guys like everything I've done so far also, just drop me a like and comment on anything that you want to know more about, because I'm more than willing to talk about everything and how I set it up. But I just needed something different. I got tired of everything looking stale and bland, and people were throwing stuff in my area, and I just got tired of the clutter. So yeah, man, that's my setup, and I really like what I've done with everything. Everything right now for me is very, very cohesive. Just for me, you know, for some people it may not be, but for me it's very cohesive. It's minimal for the most part, and there's not a lot of clutter. One thing I didn't like where I was that it would get cluttered very, very often. And I just don't like a lot of stuff on my desk, and I like things to be spaced out pretty evenly. So for my OCD, I think this was a logical move for me. But if you guys like these kind of videos, let me know in the comments below. And if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe for me, because this will definitely help me out a lot, and it'll help me get noticed a little bit more, And also hit that notification bell to let you guys know whenever I upload something new, it comes straight to your device. So with that said, guys, this is Joe from Petty Fixes. See y'all later.